Hey, how's it going? Today I'm in my backyard and I'm going to be doing some roll cage work. So I didn't have an actual X bar in here. I ended up cutting it out because my elbow was smashing it all the time when I was drifting. And I plan to go to the track next week, which will be sick. So I need to fix that up. So I'm going to come out with the door bar like this so it's far away and maybe even double up. We'll see what happens. See how creative I get. Okay, so me and Des are gonna try and mock this up and get it level. I think we're just gonna eyeball it, but first I want to tack it in and see if it's actually doable for me to get in the cart, because I'm planning on having the door bar this high, and getting in over that is pretty extreme. Like, it's almost as high as the steering wheel. It'll be kind of a pain in the butt to get in and out, but I want to try first and see how things look. See if the door is closed, most of all.
Are you sure I'll be protected?
Just don't open your eyes.
I'm not opening my eyes?
No.
You never told me that.
I would have.
This is like serious stuff.
Okay, can you pass me
What am I asking you?
that
This stuff?
the other one? Is that where we want to go? Do you want to take a step back and see if that looks good? Go way back. Does it look level, or does this need to go down? I feel like this needs to go down.
This is a lot of pressure.
This one down? You think? That's what I think. Maybe tick more?
That looks good.
Okay, let's see if the door closes.
Ready?
Yep.
Watch your helmet. Closed.
Close?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you just hold it this where it is somehow?
Yeah. Oh, this is so much pressure. This is like serious stuff.
Anywhere. Exactly. You can open your eyes. And then close again. Ready? Okay, you can open.
Okay, open.
And let go.
Let go?
Yep.
That'll hold it?
Yep.
Just that?
Well, it's strong. That's how strong TIG welding is. See if I can get out. Oh, that's the pain.
I wouldn't be able to.
Is that too high? I think it'll be okay. It'll be the safest, won't you think?
What about the rules? Will the rules agree with that?
It has to go through my shoulder. Or in between my elbow and my shoulder.
That's that? Yep.
That should be good then.
I think that's good time.
Okay.
And then another one at the bottom.
Yep. You want to throw me that one? Oh, I can move in here now. Look at that. I can do the chicken dance.
I love you. Yeah, that's a good idea.
But to do the chicken dance?
Pretend to drive.
Like I'm not hitting it. That's gonna be so, like literally last time it was here. It sucked. But this is better. Look,
Yeah.
that'll be good.
Yeah.
It proves. Yo, that is nasty, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks really
And then
good.
I'll put bars here.
I love you.
Want to go back and see how we look?
This is so much pressure.
Oh, babe, this is like the shit box. Don't worry about it.
That side up a little.
Ah,
Yeah, I think that looks good.
good?
Yes.
Want to hold that?
Maybe have any study glasses on. Take a deep breath.
Let's see. Got it? It's okay. I saw it.
Should I relook? I think I'm good. We're good?
We're good. Okay, don't look. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you can open your eyes. Do you
Oh.
want to go back and see if we're good? We can adjust the back. That looks awesome, doesn't it? Like, on the outside of this car, you have no idea this has like an insane cage in it.
Why does Ian's truck have a cage?
Just gonna race it.
Oh yeah, yeah. I think it looks good. Oh, why did I just moved it? Why did I look?
If you want, you can hold it and we'll go get a tape. Should we? Yeah, let's get a tape measure.
Where is it?
It's on the property. It's outside property.
Well, I gotta get ready for work and stuff too.
So it's good?
Guess so, yeah.
Okay, hold it and we'll weld it.
Yeah, honestly, I think it's good.
Okay,
Yeah, I
hold it.
don't want to mess this up for you. Not looking
Ready?
ready.
Oh man, this is so much better. So like, I was usually hitting my elbow on the bar because the bar went dead straight down here. So it was touching my arm in the first place. So driving sucked. So this is gonna be much better. That's amazing. All right, guys, this is looking awesome. So I made 2 pieces, one for here, and I'm going to weld them in very shortly. Paint's just drying, so I'm gonna get right to it. But honestly though, like this shop's working out mint. Like I can push things outside to do fab, so I'm not like dusting out my shop. And like, it's just super convenient. Like everything about this, I'm so happy about it. So this is turned out awesome. So I'm gonna wait until those dry, weld this in, and be done with it after I paint it. All right, boys, check it out. That looks so sick. Welds turned out awesome. So now I'm just gonna sand it quick, give her a paint job, and then I'm done. And just like that, it's all done. Looks so sick. So basically, comes out from the roll cage and goes over as tight to the door as I possibly could, just so it doesn't touch. So I have lots of room. I can't even get, I'm like an inch away when my elbows are at full motion towards this way. So it's definitely gonna be good. I was having trouble drifting because I was actually smashing my elbow on the old one, so I cut it out. But I needed another roll bar in there for tech inspection for drag racing this week. So that is gonna be so sick. Let's get it. It's all done. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you at the track. Okay.
Yeah, that'll be awkward to weld.
Like, look how I was doing this. I wasn't even holding the end. Yeah, I was literally like just walking.
Oh my god.
Okay, you're good. That is sick. I think that looks good.
Looks really pretty tight. Yes.